Hello traders, this is Sean from QualityStocks.net with a technical analysis video for ticker XRA, Exeter Resources Corporation. Trades on the American Stock Exchange. Close of Friday's trading showed a gain of just over 2.5% on over 160,000 shares. When I was doing my screens this weekend, this one sort of stood out amongst the crowd, so I'll go over a few reasons why I think so. What we have here is over the last couple of months we have a sort of a descending wedge pattern. It seems to be holding up pretty well. It's trading below its 50 and 200-day moving averages, so we want to keep an eye on it and see if it's going to try to pop and break through these two. Let's take a moment and look at the indicators. MACD and PPO, both of them are setting up nicely here. What we have is a very nice bullish crossover. It looks like it's just right at the moment where it would want to cross. We also have where the histograms are nicely turning positive. I would imagine as long as the price held up tomorrow, we would see a positive turn on the histograms, which is nice. Scrolling down, look at ADX. The black ADX line, it's above 20 is where you want it. The red negative DI line is crossing down below that black line, and now what we have is a positive DI line trying to hook back up, indicating that we could have an early reversal pattern here. Scroll down a little bit more. Slow stochastics. We had our crossover here. Now it's crossing up. It's touching the center line, which is what you want to see. Something very similar in CCI and Williams. They both hooked down into oversold territory, and now they've crossed up. Williams has crossed across this 50 line, and looks like CCI is right behind it. Scroll down a little bit further. Trix, it's our slower indicator. It's sort of gone up and down. It's not very significant right now. It looks like it's starting to flatten out here a bit. This would probably trail the other indicators if there was a reversal. A little bit further down, we look at on-balance volume, accumulation distribution, and Chaikin oscillator. All these are turning upward now. We can see where these are heading up. Well, that one's right at its 20-day moving average. Accumulation distribution's already crossed above its 20, and so is Chaikin oscillator. So these are bullish indicators. At the bottom, we find our Chaikin money flow. This is turned positive, which is very nice. This is what you want to see. We have our taller green bars there. Let's take a moment and look back up at the chart. Last but not least, we have our RSI. I touched briefly onto the oversold line, which we consider 30 to be. Now it's hooking back up. It's pointing sharply towards the 50 line. It's at 47.4 now. I would imagine another white candle day like we had for the last 3 trading days, and this would clearly break over into bullish territory above the 50. Looking back at candlesticks, let's see if we can find some support and resistance. I would pay close attention to what we had seen previously with this descending wedge pattern. This seems to be acting as support. It looks like it kissed $1 here, which is sort of a psychological support. A lot of times, looks like they might have had a little capitulation with that tall red selling volume, and now it's come up cleanly. Our parabolic support and resistance is flipped down for the last 5 days, which is bullish. In Friday's close, we traded. It ended on a pretty nice white candle where it broke through some resistance. Looks like at about $1.17. I would be looking closely at these other lines. You could see about $1.45, close to $1.50 around in this level. You could see some resistance, and of course the 200-day moving average could be that'd be somewhere I'd be looking to take a little bit off the table if I was ahead. So that's all. This is merely my opinion of the chart. Trade well, and see you next time.